Hello, my name is Kia Ham. I currently live in southern New Jersey. I was diagnosed with celiac disease maybe around October of 2004. What led to my diagnosis was bouts of extreme fatigue, depression, dermatitis. I had blisters all over my face that would just erupt every morning, dry up in the evening, and start all over again the next day. And I had to find out what was going on with me. My biggest struggle with having celiac disease is how it affects me socially. It affects going out with friends. It affects holiday shindigs with family. Any place where there are a lot of food, where there is a lot of food and there are a lot of people, I am adversely affected. Whether it's because I feel badly because of what I cannot have, whether it's me being ridiculed. Yes, adults still do that. It can be a little uncomfortable sometimes. Basically, a cure for celiac disease wouldn't really mean too much difference for me, because I know of all the preservatives and things that are put into foods that do have gluten. I will probably continue to stay away from it. But from young people who want to go out, like my nieces, who want to go out and enjoy parties and not have to worry about what they eat, for children everywhere who might be diagnosed, if this can help them in any way, that makes me happy, because I've been through it and I wouldn't wish that on anybody.